Look at my Sunday stew. You see her? You see my stew? Sunday stew, just fish and chicken. You see how this stew? Just small stew. Just small stew. See the stew? Let me put some more water. You see the stew? This is the outcome of my stew. You see, with assorted meat. Look at it. With assorted meat. See, now see the hot. With assorted meat. Look at it. They do koto. You see, I'll make koto. Let me put some more water. With assorted meat. Some more. You see, with assorted meat. This is it. The outcome of it. The outcome of it with assorted meat. You see? Hello everyone. This is my egusi pepper soup. You see? I put bitter leaf. Yes. I put bitter leaf. Bitter leaf and dry fish. See, ewe fish. And bitter leaf. Yes, this is real and crowfet. This is real egusi pepper soup.